Hello, families, gather around. Let's talk about something exciting. The Olympic Games. Do you know why they are a symbol of international unity? Long, long ago, even before your grandparents' time in a land called ancient Greece, the very first Olympic Games were held. They were so much more than just the games. They were a grand event that brought together people from far and wide. Today, they continue to do just that, but on a much grander scale, uniting the entire world. Now you might wonder, what is international unity? Well, it's like a big friendly hug that wraps around the globe. It's about different countries, with different cultures and languages, coming together, understanding each other, and working together like a big, happy family. The Olympic Games are like a giant playground where this unity happens. Athletes from every corner of the world come together to compete not as rivals, but as friends. They play fair, they respect each other, and they help each other. It's all about sportsmanship, which is like being a good sport, playing fair, and being kind and respectful to everyone. Let's take an example. Picture two athletes, one from a country that's always sunny and warm, and the other from a place that's cold and snowy. They compete in a race, they both run as fast as they can, and in the end, only one can win. But here's the beautiful part. They shake hands, they smile, they even hug. There's no anger, no hard feelings, just mutual respect and admiration. And it doesn't stop there. These moments of unity are not just between the athletes. They ripple outwards, touching the hearts of people watching from around the world. They teach us that winning is not everything, that we can compete and still be friends, that we are all part of one big, global family. So the Olympic Games are a time when the world comes together to play and celebrate sports, making it a symbol of international unity. Now, let's blast off to outer space. Have you ever wondered why scientists explore space and what they've found about other planets? Well, to start, what is space exploration? Imagine you're in a spaceship zooming past the moon, past Mars, and into the vast starry expanse. That's space exploration, journeying into outer space to discover what lies beyond our home planet Earth. But why do scientists want to explore space? You see, space is like the biggest mystery book ever written. Every star, every planet, every galaxy holds a story waiting to be uncovered. Scientists are like detectives using their telescopes and satellites as magnifying glasses, trying to read these cosmic tales. They're curious about the universe, just like how you might be curious about what's inside a wrapped present. One big question scientists want to answer is, are we alone in the universe? They explore space to search for signs of life, hoping to find organisms or conditions that could support life. Just think about it. There could be aliens out there, living on a planet we haven't discovered yet. Another reason scientists explore space is to learn more about our own home. By studying other planets, we can understand more about Earth's history and future. It's like getting to know your family tree. You learn more about yourself by learning about your relatives. Now let's talk about some discoveries scientists have made. Let's take Mars, for example. Mars is our next-door neighbor in the solar system, and it's been a hot topic in space exploration. Why? Because scientists have found evidence of water on Mars. Water is one of the essential ingredients for life as we know it. So, finding water on Mars is like finding a recipe for life. Isn't that exciting? And did you know that scientists have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system? These are called exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets are in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right. Not too hot, not too cold, for life to exist. It's like finding a house that's just the right size for Goldilocks. Let's not forget about the stunning pictures of distant galaxies, nebulae, and stars that space telescopes have captured. These images not only give us a glimpse of the universe's beauty, but also help scientists understand how stars and galaxies form. So space exploration helps us learn more about our universe, and maybe, just maybe, we are not alone out here. It's a grand adventure full of mysteries and discoveries. And who knows, maybe one day you could be a part of this cosmic journey, exploring the stars and uncovering the universe's secrets. How cool would that be? So, space exploration helps us learn more about our universe, and maybe, just maybe, We are not alone out here. Let's journey inside our bodies now. Have you ever wondered why we have different kinds of organs like the heart and lungs? Well, our bodies are like a bustling city, and the organs are the buildings with each one having a specific job to do. Organs are parts of our bodies that have important roles to play. They're a bit like workers in a factory, each doing a different job to make sure everything runs smoothly. Let's start with our heart. The heart is like the city's water pump. It pumps blood, which is like the city's water supply, all around the body. Just like a pump pushes water through pipes, the heart pushes blood through our blood vessels. The heart is very important because it makes sure that all the parts of our body get the oxygen and nutrients they need to work properly. Now, let's talk about our lungs. Imagine the lungs as big, soft balloons inside our chest. When we take a breath, these balloons fill up with air, just like how a balloon fills up when you blow into it. The lungs are very important because they take in oxygen from the air we breathe and pass it into our blood. The blood then carries this oxygen to all parts of our body. At the same time, the lungs help to get rid of carbon dioxide, a waste product that our bodies don't need when we breathe out. So the heart and lungs work together as a team. The heart pumps the blood, and the lungs put oxygen into the blood and take out carbon dioxide. They keep our bodies running smoothly, just like how a water pump and balloons would work together to keep a city running smoothly. And that's just 2 of our organs. We have many others, each with their own important job. For example, our stomach is like a mixer, breaking down the food we eat so our bodies can use it for energy. Our kidneys are like a filter, cleaning out waste products from our blood. But what's really amazing is how all these organs work together. Just like in a city where the water pump, the buildings, and the workers all need to work together for the city to function, our organs need to work together for our bodies to function. It's a bit like a soccer team. You know how each player has a different job? The goalie keeps the ball out of the net, the strikers try to score goals, and the midfielders help to control the game. Well, in the same way, each of our organs has a different job, but they all work together to keep us healthy and strong. So, our organs are like a team, each doing a different job to keep us healthy and strong. Let's talk about something fun, birthdays. Have you ever thought about why we celebrate birthdays? Birthdays, as we know them today, are a tradition that has been around for a very long time. But why do we celebrate them? At its core, a birthday is a celebration of life. It's a time when we pause to appreciate the journey of life we or our loved ones have been on and to look forward to the adventures that lie ahead. Imagine you're on a long hike. Every now and then you stop to rest, take in the beautiful scenery around you, and appreciate how far you've come. That's what a birthday is like, a rest stop on the journey of life. It's a day to reflect on the past year, celebrate your achievements, and set goals for the year ahead. This celebration of life is also a chance for us to show love to the person whose birthday it is. Think about how special you feel when your friends and family gather to celebrate your birthday. You receive gifts, messages, and maybe even a party. All these gestures are ways of showing you that you're loved and valued. For example, let's think about birthday parties. There's cake, balloons, games, and sometimes even a clown or magician. These parties bring together friends and family, creating a fun and happy atmosphere. They make the birthday person feel special and loved. Or consider birthday gifts. They can be anything from a simple handmade card to an extravagant present. But the real value of these gifts isn't in their price tag. It's in the thought and care that went into choosing something that the birthday person would love. So, whether it's through a grand party, a thoughtful gift, or even a simple phone call, birthdays are a way for us to show our love and appreciation for the people in our lives. They're a reminder that every life is unique, valuable, and worth celebrating. So, birthdays are a special time when we celebrate life and show love to our friends and family. Let's discuss something important now. Why is it important for everyone to have the right to practice their own religion? Freedom of religion, what does that mean? Well, in simple terms, it's a principle that supports the freedom of an individual or a community, in public or private, to practice, establish, and change their religion or belief in teaching, practice, worship, and observance. It's a right that's recognized in many countries, and is established in international human rights law. Now, why is this so important? Imagine a world where everyone was forced to believe in the same thing, where no one could express their unique ideas or beliefs. That would be quite dull and not very fair, wouldn't it? Freedom of religion is crucial because it supports human rights. The idea that every person, no matter who they are, where they're from, or what they believe, should be treated with dignity and respect. This freedom is also vital for peace. When people are free to practice their religion, they can express their beliefs without fear. This leads to a more peaceful society because it reduces conflicts that can occur when people feel their beliefs are being threatened or disrespected. Freedom of religion allows people to express their beliefs freely. It's like being able to wear your favorite color every day or choosing your favorite flavor of ice cream. Everyone has different tastes and preferences, and that's what makes us all unique. In the same way, everyone has different beliefs, and freedom of religion allows us to express these beliefs without fear of punishment or discrimination. Let's take a journey around the world to see how this works. In a country like the United States, for example, you can find a variety of religions coexisting. There are Christians, Muslims, Jews, Hindus, Buddhists, and many others. Each person is free to practice their religion, attend their place of worship, and celebrate their religious holidays. They can do this because of the freedom of religion. Over in India, a country known for its rich cultural and religious diversity, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Buddhists, and Sikhs, among others, coexist. They are free to practice their religion and express their beliefs, contributing to the country's vibrant and diverse culture. In these societies, and many others around the world, diverse religions coexist because of the freedom of religion. This freedom allows people to express their unique beliefs and contributes to a vibrant and diverse society. So, the freedom to practice our own religion is a precious right that allows us to express our beliefs and live in harmony with others. It's like a beautiful garden filled with different types of flowers. Each flower is unique and beautiful in its own way, and together, they make the garden vibrant and colorful. The same goes for our world. Each of us, with our unique beliefs, contribute to the vibrancy and beauty of our world. We've learned so much today, haven't we? Let's take a few moments to remember the key points from each topic. We started our journey with the Olympic Games, a global event that brings nations together. It's not just about who's the fastest or the strongest, it's about celebrating unity, friendship, and peace. Just like the 5 interlocked rings in the Olympic flag, we're all connected and part of a larger global family. Then we took a trip to outer space, didn't we? Our curiosity and desire to explore the unknown have led us to discover amazing things about other planets. We've learned that there's so much more to the universe than what we see in the night sky. And speaking of amazing, we talked about our own bodies too. Each organ, like the heart and lungs, has its own special job. They work together to keep us healthy and strong. Our bodies are like a well-oiled machine, with each part playing a crucial role. We also talked about birthdays, a special day when we celebrate the joy of life. It's a day to feel special and loved, and to appreciate the journey we've embarked upon since the day we were born. Lastly, we discussed the importance of having the freedom to practice our own religion. This freedom allows us to express our beliefs and values in a way that feels right to us. It's a reminder that in our diverse world, everyone's beliefs and practices should be respected. Isn't it wonderful how much we can learn when we're curious and open-minded? Each of these topics shows us that whether it's in sports, space exploration, our bodies, celebrations, or beliefs, we're all connected in some way. Remember, every day is a day to learn something new. Good night, families, and keep exploring the world around you.